And this is the setup right here. Move the Mac real quick.
2 weeks later.
And we're here in this random ass garage, and as you can see, everything is here from the shop. Everything, and I mean absolutely everything. So as you can see, we're not at the shop anymore. We're in this random ass garage, and this is where the videos are gonna go crazy. So without further ado, let's set it up. And this right here is the final setup. As you can see, everything's finally back to the way it should be. Kind of updated, kind of not. All the wires down there. Kind of got the essential tools, everything that you need right there. Desk's clear finally. Damn, I just had so many restorations. Just these left. And this is the setup. Shower. Nice box. Back inventory. And this is it. 3 years in the making.